So here we are given a joint variation problem, whereas the cost varies jointly with length and diameter. I'm going to represent the cost by the letter C, the length by the letter L, and the diameter by the letter D. So I can write down this joint variation as C jointly varies with L and D. So this symbol is a symbol of joint variation. We will convert this into an equation by replacing this symbol by equal. And when we do that, we have to introduce the constant of variation, that is the letter K. So I put this as C equals K times of L and D. So basically, we get the cost equation as C equals K L and D, that is KLD. So this is the equation. Now we are given the information that is when the length is 45 feet and the diameter is 3/5 inch, the cost is $213.3. Notice that we are given the diameter in inches, so we will convert this to feet, and this means we can divide this quantity by 12, because to convert an inch to a feet, we have to divide by 12. So therefore, this equal 3/5 multiply with 1 by 12. So we can write down this as 3 by 60, or the simplified form is 1 over 20. So basically, this is the diameter in feet. And we have been given the length as 45 feet, and the cost is given as C equals $213.3. So this equals to $13.3. We can plug these three values into the cost equation to determine the value of K. So let's do that. So I replace C by 213.3 equals K times of L is in feet, which is 45, and diameter is also in feet, which is 1 over 20. We can solve the value of K by multiplying both sides by 20 and dividing by 45. And when you do that, we get K equals 213.3 times of 20 over 45. We plug this into the calculator to determine the value of K. And when we do that, we get the value of K equals 94.8. And this means we plug this value of K into the cost equation to get a generic cost equation. So therefore, the generic cost equation for this problem is C equals 94.8 times LD, where L and D should both be in feet. Now we have to determine the cost when the length is 96 feet and the diameter is 38 inches. Once again, we have to convert this inches to diameter. So let me copy that information. We are given the length equals 96 feet and diameter is given as 38 inch. So let's convert this to feet by dividing by 12. So I divide by 12, which means we multiply by 1 over 12. So this I can write down as 3 over 8 times of 12 is 96. I keep this value of D as in a fraction. Now let's plug these two information into the generic cost equation to determine the corresponding cost. So therefore cost equals 94.8 times of, can just write the this 4 little bit clearly. This is 94.8 times of length is 96 feet multiplied with diameter, which is 3 over 96. So as you can see, we can cancel this 96 and 96. So we just have to multiply this 94.8 with 3. And when we do that, we get the value of the cost. I put this in dollars, that is dollar 284.4. So therefore, the cost of the copper tube is $284.4.